Yeah. So yeah, you probably wondering who's our manager, right? Yo,
Yeah.
if you knew.
The treatment we
kidding.
get. The treatment we
I'm
get.
just kidding.
She's hardcore. She doesn't take nonsense.
She's unfair.
She's unfair.
She's the problem.
She's abusive.
She's always late.
You know, like she doesn't carry my bag around.
Like she's supposed to.
Like she doesn't give me water.
You have to beg.
You know.
Marut love. No, but yeah.
She's the best.
Her name is Mbuso.
Nombuso Njovu.
She's actually a DJ. Did you know?
Yeah.
DJ.
But
Yeah,
she's our manager now.
Yeah, she's our manager, but she's still a DJ.
Yeah, okay, but I need to still manager, man.
She's our manager. Anyway. So yeah, we met like what? Okay, I met Mbuso in 2012.
Okay,
she was crazy fun. Yeah, we're friends.
Yeah.
And
then with me and her, we've known each other for like a very long time. So yeah, she started managing what?
Keep talking.
Okay, yeah. She started managing as when like basically it wasn't like decided okay, like you know what, we're starting Imprint. We're starting a band, and then we need a manager, we need a marketer or whatever.
Yeah, she just woke up one day, got to campus, like, you guys perform, we're like, huh?
She just started getting us gigs, and we're like, oh, okay, yeah, you're perfect for the job.
Yeah, and that was it.
Yeah, she was just
basically
managing our schedules and our personal lives.
Yeah, talk about challenges. Like she's a challenge, right? Like challenges, the challenges everywhere, like money, hustling for gigs, they reject you, trying to find a place to record,
trying to get recognition,
getting beats,
and
basically
getting paid and people taking us seriously as artists.
Yeah, that's really how it
because somehow people think that recording is just, you know, you just you take your phone, you record yourself, and then you just transfer it into a CD, and then automatically you have music.
No.
They don't get that you actually need money, and
time.
It's work. It's actually a full-time job because you still have to write, and recording takes
hours.
Yeah, it takes long, and yeah, basically our challenges has been finances and people taking us seriously. People taking us seriously as artists.
Basically, that's more or less what it is.
Yeah.
Koku ke boss on that day. Boss on. Don't mind the white cup.
Hey, I'm just drinking water because we're performing later on.
No,
and my manager strictly told me that I cannot drink fizzy drinks before a performance.
Lies. Why can I drink fizzy drinks?
Because you don't sing.
Bullshit.
Is there something in this coke?
Continue shooting. Continue shooting.
I just stuck my nose.
It's very fun, Chad. Celebrate.
LT.